Imagine a city where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where your garbage is collected before you even notice it's full, and where your every need is predicted, not by humans, but by artificial intelligence. This is the reality of China's smart cities, but is it a future we should embrace or fear? Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is a smart city? A smart city uses AI, the Internet of Things, sensors, and big data to improve urban life. It's about faster traffic flow, smarter waste and energy use, safer streets, instant emergency responses, and personalized public services. But while the idea sounds utopian, the implementation can look very different depending on the country. China is leading the world in smart city construction. With over 500 pilot projects, it's turning entire cities into living systems managed by AI. Let's explore some remarkable examples. Hangzhou, the city brain created by Alibaba, Hangzhou's city. Brain manages traffic with AI, detects accidents, and dispatches emergency services. In some areas, traffic speed improved by 15%, and ambulance response times dropped dramatically. Xiong'an, China's AI capital. This city is being built from scratch as a futuristic hub with autonomous public transport, AI-managed energy grids, digital twin simulations of the city, underground logistics tunnels. Shenzhen, surveillance capital. With over 1.9 million AI-powered cameras, Shenzhen watches everything. Jaywalkers are caught and fined in real time, faces are tracked across neighborhoods, citizens' movements are logged and analyzed. It's efficient, but also raises some serious concerns. There's no denying the positives. Emergency services are faster, cities are cleaner and more efficient, power and water are used more intelligently, citizens can access services through one app. These cities seem to anticipate your needs before you even voice them. But there's a fine line between smart service and silent control. And speaking of artificial intelligence managing your daily life, here's something you can try out for yourself, right in your home. Meet the Amazon Echo Dot, 5th Gen. A compact smart speaker powered by Alexa, designed to bring AI convenience to your personal space. With improved sound, a built-in temperature sensor, and motion detection, it can automate routines like, Alexa, turn on the lights. Alexa, what's the temperature? Or even trigger a fan when it gets too hot. It's a small but powerful step towards smart living, like having a mini version of a smart city assistant at home. Check it out using the link in the description. That's one way to bring smart tech into your home. Now let's zoom back out to the global stage. Here's where things get uncomfortable. China's smart cities are deeply intertwined with surveillance systems, facial recognition, gait analysis, behavior scoring, AI-driven decision-making. Many of these cities are tied into the social credit system. Forget to pay a loan? You could be restricted from travel. Post something controversial? You might be blacklisted. Jaywalked once too often? Publicly shamed on digital billboards? And in regions like Xinjiang, these technologies are reportedly used for mass profiling and control, raising serious global human rights concerns. While China is sprinting ahead, the rest of the world is not standing still. Let's explore how others are responding. Singapore, efficient, transparent, trusted. Singapore uses AI for traffic, waste management, and safety, but under strict data laws and with citizen buy-in. Their success? Efficiency with accountability. Estonia, the digital republic. Estonia's entire government runs online. Digital identity, AI-powered services, full transparency, and consent mechanisms. It's small, but leading in trust-based digital governance. United States, diverse but disjointed. American smart cities are localized. New York and San Francisco use AI in traffic and sustainability. Projects are often led by private companies, but privacy laws vary, and there's no unified vision like China's Europe. Smart with strong ethics. Cities like Helsinki and Barcelona use smart tech but follow GDPR rules. Strict data protection, AI transparency mandates citizens must opt into data collection. Europe proves tech can be powerful without sacrificing privacy. India, emerging smart nation. India's smart cities mission aims to upgrade over 100 cities with better infrastructure, digital services, AI for traffic and crime detection. Progress is visible, but concerns about surveillance, data security, and imported tech remain. As countries build their smart cities, the big question is no longer if AI will be part of our lives, it's who controls it. Will our cities serve the people or monitor them? Will AI help us become more connected or more controlled? Will governments prioritize efficiency or ethics? The battle isn't just about smart cities, it's about what values they reflect. Artificial intelligence is already shaping the cities of tomorrow. But as we embrace smart streets and sensor-driven societies, we must also ask, who watches the watchers? Technology can make life easier, but only if it doesn't come at the cost of freedom, privacy, and trust. Smart cities are inevitable. The question is, will they be liberating or limiting? This is TechInsight Daily, where we decode the future, one breakthrough at a time. Like this video, if it made you think, subscribe for deep dives into AI, robotics, and emerging tech. Hit the bell icon so the future doesn't surprise you. And if you want a little smart city tech in your own home, check out the Echo Dot, 5th gen link in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.